Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Emma, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, September 8th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 58 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 65 and a low of 51, with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Isabella and Justin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the Cubs won against the Pittsburgh Pirates by a score of 8-2. And the Sox lost to the Cleveland Indians by a score of 11-2. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are Miss Young's group band and orchestra lessons for today will be groups X, Y, Z, AA, BB, and C. And CC. And Miss Bernanke's Hoover Harmonics will start on Monday after school. Please remind your parents that pickup time has been changed to 3:45, not 4. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Emma, good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. What's too low? My voice is too low. Is that what you're saying? Good morning, Hoover. It's Friday, if you forgot. Now is it too high?
Just talk normal.
I am talking normal. All right. See, look at the criticism I receive. I just can't catch a break here, I tell you. All right. Now see, I lost my train of thought. It's Friday. Did I say that yet? That's probably the 4th time. It's about the only thing I have in my brain right now. Let's see. We are map testing. Yes, we are. So remember to be quiet in the hallways, please. Not only are we map testing in some of the classrooms, but in many of the offices throughout the building, we are testing as well. And that will be in the morning and the afternoon. We're also working on our arrival and dismissal procedures through PBIS. Remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible. And I have some giant blue eggs here. So we're going to take a look and see. We're going to pull some Herbie high fives. There are a lot in here. This is the primary egg. For those of you that don't know what that means, this is for kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, and 3rd grade. And yeah, we'll throw 3rd grade in there too. 3rd grade's like that bubble. Like, are they primary, the intermediate? They're primary. All right.
He's just rambling now.
I know.
A whole bunch of rambling.
I've had a lot of coffee this morning. Daniel in 201. Brooklyn in 107. Graydon in no room listed, but I think we only have one Graydon. Logan in 201. Nadia in 214. Who else? Veronica in 112. Alexa in 121. Like a Phantom Herbie or something. All right, we've got, looks like Caden in 112. Last one. Brooklyn again. Good job, Brooklyn in 107. So we'll pull another one. Max in 112. All right, congratulations to those students. And the intermediate egg. So if we did K123, intermediate must mean
7, 8, 9.
4, 5, 6. Trust me, that's a lot easier than these band groups of X, Y, Z, AA, BB, CC.
Triple sheet.
Let's see, we've got Sarah in 117. Alexi in 117. This Hofeld's room is stacking the eggs up here. Looks like Anam in 205. Whoa. It looks like Zoe in 205. Ayan in 119. How many more should we do, Emma?
Maybe 1 or 2.
All right, we'll do Mahir in 119. Maybe we'll do 2 more now. Maya in 204. And the last one for today, who's it going to be? Suzanne, any guesses? Give me a letter.
H.
She thinks it's going to start with an H. We've got Addison in room 204.
A. Kind of sounded like A.
All right. Addison in 204. Congratulations to all of you. And it looks like we've got some special guests here again.
All right, it is that time again. We
Tiny
are going
bubbles.
to we're going to sing our school song together. Here we go.
What do you want me to do?
Up with Hoover. They love us wherever we go.
I'm very uncomfortable right now.
Up with Hoover. It's the greatest school we know. We work together,
Isabel,
we
come here.
learn together. We're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
Yes. All right. Have a great day.
Such
Or
enthusiasm
not.
this morning.
I'm really starting to sweat here. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome, Emma.
Friday's fact is, did you know that a shark does not have any bones? It's true. The skeleton of a shark is made of cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible but tough tissue that holds the shape of the shark's body. An example of cartilage on a human is the nose and the ears. That's all for today. This week's production has been brought to you by the Super Squad production team. Have a freaky Friday.